male infertility. When a man is unable to impregnate his wife or the sex partner after 1 year of intercourse, unprotected intercourse function, he is termed as infertile. But this disease, infertility, is mostly recoverable and reversible. The process of sex function starts from the release of gonadotropic hormones from the hypothalamus in the central nervous system. This hormone stimulates the anterior pituitary gland that produces two vital and sex stimulating hormones, luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone. These two hormones that enter in the blood and goes to the testicles via bloodstream, and there they stimulate the cells of the testicle to produce testosterone hormone, that is a male sex hormone, testosterone, which is responsible for production of libido in men, the desire to perform sex function with the opposite sex, that is the sex partner. This hormone testosterone is responsible for the appearance of puberty, that is appearance of secondary sex characteristics in men, pubic hair, mustache, beard, all these functions they appear after the production of the testosterone hormone. So the testis produces this hormone. This hormone stimulates the tissue in the testicles to produce the sperms. The production of sperm is termed as spermatogenesis. They are formed in the testicle. So the testicles or testes, they are the factory for the sperm production. These sperms then they passes from the testes via the various channels, that is the epididymis, vas deferens, seminal vesicles, then it passes on through the ejaculatory duct via the prostate urethra. There prostate secretion is added in the semen along with the sperms floating in that fluid. So semen is a fluid that produces nourishment for the viability of the sperm cells. It consists of protein, minerals and essential vitamins which are necessary for the life of the sperm tissues. So these sperms they passes through the penile urethra and is discharged by the person into the vagina of his sex partner. From there it passes onwards towards the fallopian tube of the female reproductive organs. So there is defect which produces sex infertility in the men, that is divided into three stages: pre-testicular, testicular and the post-testiculars. So these are the various stages and there are various causes or the etiology for the production of man infertility.